Hey everybody, it's Paul with CDA Software. In today's video, we'll talk about an updated feature that we released with CDA version 10.201. And the release date on that was February 27th of 2022. For this release, we updated the send notification button. Before this update, the notification button was a single purple button, but now we have two buttons to send a notification. So let's go ahead, jump into the update and what the benefits can provide your company. Alrighty, so like I just mentioned, we have two new buttons: send schedule notifications and send post routing. So let's go ahead and talk about how do we configure these two buttons. Well, just like before when we had a single button for send notifications, we go to the utilities menu, we go to scheduler function, and we go to notification settings. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here we are, we're in an area we should be familiar with, which is the send notification. And now what you'll notice is that it's been broken down into two areas. We have the notification setup, and now we have a new feature called the post routing notification. So it has its own text box, and it has its own picture on how to best prepare for the text visit. So not only do you get to send the text message, you can even send a different picture for your customers as well. So let's just go ahead and orientate ourselves. So what we have the appointment notification setup, which has all the pertinent information for tomorrow's appointment, and we have the how to best prepare for the text visit, which is going to be related to this button right here, send schedule notifications. Then we're going to go back. We're going to have the secondary area, which is the post routing notification. Again, we're going to include the message on everything they need to know about after we've sent the original message. And if we wanted to, we could have another unique or the same how to best prepare for your technician's visit. And once again, that is associated with send post routing. So let me go ahead and talk about the scenario on how this all works and why we designed it. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to notice that the date shown is Thursday, April the 7th. So it's a Thursday is for the scheduling date. But if I was the route manager, I would be looking at tomorrow's schedule date. So I would pretend that today's a Wednesday. I'm looking at tomorrow's appointment, which is a Thursday. I know that I'm going to shut down the route, so I'd block the route. I would get all my calls in order. And the last thing I would do once I routed my call is I would say send scheduled notifications. And what that would do is that would send a text and an email to the customer letting them know about tomorrow's appointment, which would be the following business day. And then they would give the opportunity for the customer to say, oh, don't show up, I need to cancel, which then gives us an opportunity to save a cancellation and everyone's happy. Now, what we found out from our customers, what a lot of customers want to do now, is that on the day of, so we would say Thursday morning, let's just say at 8 a.m., what the route manager would do is he or she would send a post routing notification. And what that would generally say is, hello customer, just wanted to let you know we're going to be there today. Here's all of the appointment information you need for today's appointment. If you can't make this appointment today, please let us know so we can reschedule you. And what that does is that captures last minute cancellations for the scheduled route for the day of. So lots of wins can be achieved when you use the post routing for the day of. Now again, this may not be for all companies, but for some companies and many companies, it does help to capture last minute canceled appointments so that you can then fill them up with a customer who is going to be home the day of the appointment. So that will conclude today's video.